Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, political parties. Political party. A political party is a group of people who come together to contest elections and hold power in the government. It mobilizes voters to support common sets of interests, concerns, and goals. A political party fixes the political agenda and policies and tries to persuade people by claiming their policies are better than those of other parties. A political party is the means through which people can speak to the government and have a say in the governance of any country. A political party has three components: the leaders, the active members, the followers. Now, going to another topic, functions of political party. Parties contest elections by putting up candidates. In some countries, candidates are selected by members and supporters of a party. For example, USA. In other countries, candidates are chosen by top party leaders. For example, India. Parties have different policies and programs. Voters choose from them. The parties, those that lose elections, play the role of opposition and voice different views and criticize government for its failures and wrong policies. They shape public opinion. Parties, with the help of pressure groups, launch movements for solving problems faced by the people. They provide people access to the government machinery and welfare schemes. The local party leaders act as a link between the citizens and government officers. Party system. There is one difference between one party, two party, and multi party system. So, first we will read about one party system. There is no competition in this system. The lone party nominates the candidates, and the voters have only two choices: not to vote all, write yes or no against the name of the candidate nominated by the party. This system has been popular in communist countries like China, Korea, and Cuba. Now, going to read about two-party system. When the power changes between two parties, it is called bi-party system. In such system, one party comes to power by winning majority and other forms of opposition. For example, USA and UK. Other parties may exist, but only two political parties are powerful in it. Now we are going to read about multi-party system. If several parties compete for power and more than two parties have a chance to come to power either on their own or by forming alliance, it is called multi-party system. When several parties join their hands for the purpose of running the government, it is called an alliance or a front. Now we are going to read more about multi-party system. For example, India, there were three major alliances in 2004. The National Democratic Alliance (NDA), BJP ran it. The United Progressive Alliance (UPA), Congress ran it. The Left Front run by the Socialist or the Communist parties of India. This system also allows variety of interests and opinions to enjoy political representation. Multi-party system appears messy and leads to political instability. Now we are going to read a further topic, that is challenges faced by political parties. Lack of internal democracy within parties. Power concentrated in the hands of few. No organizational meetings. No keeping of membership register. No internal regular elections. Ordinary members do not have access to information, cannot influence decisions. Disagreement with the leader leads to ouster from the party. Dynastic succession. Leaders on top have unfair advantage to favor people close to them or family members. Top positions controlled by family members in most parties. Tendency seen all over the world, even in the older democracies. Money and muscle power. During election, this power is very visible. Candidates who can raise money are nominated. Rich people and companies who gave funds have influence on policies. Now we are going to read a further topic, that is parties do not offer a meaningful choice to the voters. There is not much difference in ideology among parties. For example, Labour Party and Conservative Party of Britain. The only difference is that details of implementation matter than fundamental principles. In India also, there is not much difference among parties on economic issues. Now we are going to read one more difference, that is efforts made to reform the political parties. There is one difference between the Constitution, the Supreme Court, and the Election Commission. The Constitution was amended to prevent defection. Now MPs and MLAs lose their seat in the parliament or state assembly if they change party. Now going to read the Supreme Court passed certain orders to reduce the power of money and criminals. A candidate has to file an affidavit giving details of his property and criminal cases pending against him. Now last topic, that is Election Commission. Political parties are asked to file their income tax returns. They have to hold organizational elections. Thank you and have a nice day.